In this episode of Encap TV, we're going to talk about 3 reasons why Releasit Encap-Clean DS2 is so popular in the industry. Why do people keep coming back to Encap-Clean DS2? And why does the competition look at Encap-Clean DS2 as the benchmark to measure their product by? Stay tuned and we'll get around to 3 good reasons why you'll find that Encap-Clean DS2 really stacks up well in the carpet cleaning industry. Stay tuned. Okay, reason number 1. Let's cut right to the chase. Money. Encap-Clean DS2 cleans at a rate of 2,000 to 3,000 square feet per hour consistently, working with a Cymex machine. You can also use it with a cylindrical brush machine, rotary machine, number of different ways to work with it. But if you do the math on that, if you take your 2,000 to 3,000 square feet per hour and split it right down the middle at 2,500 square feet per hour, just consider what that can generate. For example, at 15 cents per square foot, that would work out to $379 an hour. $379 per hour pushing a Cymex machine with Encap-Clean DS2. All you can really say is, wow, that's serious money. So when it comes to making money, minting money, Encap-Clean DS2 stacks up extremely well as a profit generator. Reason number 2, let's talk about results. Brightness, for example. Encap-Clean DS2 brightens up the carpet. I mean, really seriously brightens up the color. The carpet pops. Now, there are no optical brighteners in this product, but what you'll see drab, dull, for example, a gray carpet that's kind of browned out, blue carpets, they particularly look bad with kind of going into that drab range. Pow, it just gets rid of it. It knocks the color back up several notches so that the carpets look vibrant. So the brightness is one thing that you're going to see with results. It also fixes problems, common problems that are common with commercial carpets, such as wicking, recurring spills, and those drab, dingy traffic lanes. Completely gets rid of that problem. So to get rid of wicking, to get rid of problems that are very common with commercial carpet, the results really stand out. The brightness, the overall appearance, outstanding. So if you want to see results, if you want to see the ability to clean quickly, to efficiently get carpets to really snap and look great, Encap-Clean DS2 will certainly deliver for you. I guarantee it. Give it a shot. You're going to love it. Reason number 3 why Releasit Encap-Clean DS2 is so much a product that people run to when it comes to encapsulation cleaning is because you can build a system. Systems are important. A long time ago in my business, I read The E-Myth by Michael Gerber. If you haven't read The E-Myth, I highly recommend it. In that book, Michael Gerber talks about building duplicatable systems, systematizing a business so that it gives you consistent results, turnkey. And what it really boils down to is you don't want to leave it to guesswork. You want your techs to be able to go out and produce for you exceptional results consistently without having to call and say, well, how do I fix this problem? You don't have that when you're working with Encap-Clean DS2. The results become duplicatable and it is very easy to train technicians. So you could, for example, set up Encap at multiple locations on the same day. Many people set up Encap routes where they send out a truck using Releasit Encap-Clean DS2 as their cleaner, and it just continues to turn those dollars. Remember what we talked about money to start with. At 2,500 square feet per hour, kind of middle of the road performance-wise, at 15 cents a foot, that's $379 per hour. The results are phenomenal. You're going to see the brightness, you're going to see the color pop, you're going to see consistent results, and with that you'll be able to build a duplicatable system. So that just kind of sums up very briefly why people like Encap-Clean DS2. Give it a try. I guarantee you're going to like it. It makes sense. It just simply makes sense. In fact, it makes dollars, lots of them. So hopefully that will help you to see the value and why people really are kind of polarized to Encap-Clean DS2. Sometimes we have customers that try other products and they come right back to Encap-Clean DS2 because it delivers the results they expect and want to have in their business. So hopefully this will give you an idea of what you can accomplish with it. Give us a call at Excellent Supply. We're happy to help you in any way that we can. We want to stand behind our products and help you to max your Encap. What that means is we want you to get the most out of your encapsulation experience. If you have any questions or comments, you can put them in the comments down below. Please hit the subscribe button and we'll keep these coming to you, and also the like. We appreciate that when you give us a thumbs up. Thanks for watching Encap TV. Have a great day.